Hello student, myself Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastav, Associate Professor Dev Allied Health Institute, Sehipur, Jaunpur. Today I am going to talk to you about incubator, that is very important equipment in the laboratory, or you can say this equipment is very useful in life science laboratory, biological laboratories, research laboratory, pathological laboratory, and small lab also. So previously we have discussed about microscope, centrifugal machine, and spectrophotometry and colorimetry also. Now I am going to deal the incubator. So what is incubator? The incubator are necessary equipment for any laboratory conducting cell culture, tissue culture, biological reactions, and so on. Incubator protect cells from changes in temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. Temperature can be regulated by water or air jacket. So now, what is the importance and what is the incubator, how it works? The incubator is a device used to grow and maintain microbiological cultures or cell cultures. The incubator maintains optical temperature, humidity, and other conditions such as the CO2 and oxygen content of the atmosphere inside. So, what is the principle? The incubator are used to maintain temperature for tissue culture, growth, storage of bacterial culture, and incubation, where high degree of constant temperature accuracy is required. So the bio-oxygen demand of the uh, tissue or culture or other test, that is maintained by the temperature inside the incubator. What are the different types of incubators? Incubator are insulated enclosure in which temperature, humidity, and other environmental conditions can be regulated at levels optimal for growth, hatching, or reproduction. There are three principal kinds of incubator, that are poultry incubator, infant incubators, and biological or bacteriological incubators. Nowadays a major problem comes in the uh, country, that is male female infertility, in which the incubator having major role for the development of the embryo inside the lab. So how it is work? A laboratory incubator is a heated insulated box used to grow and maintain microbiological or cell cultures. The incubator maintains optimal temperature, humidity, and gaseous content of the atmosphere inside. So incubator के अंदर जो insulated heated box होते हैं, they are maintain the optical temperature and humidity and gaseous content inside the incubator, and that should provide the good condition for the tests. Optimal growth conditions. Why we need incubation at 37 degree temperature? So different bacteria like to grow at different temperatures. By changing the temperature, we can study the bacteria while they are stressed. Organisms that grow best at human body temperature, which is approximately 37 degrees Celsius, or you can say 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So that's why we need the 37 degree temperature, because our body having this 37 degree temperature degree Celsius. So there are so many types of bacteria can grow easily in our body. So that's why the incubator has 37 degree Celsius. What is the role of incubator? The primary role of an incubator or any incubator is to help nascent companies by providing resources, access to industry mentors, interactions with other entrepreneurs, and most importantly, patient capital to get through the survival stage. What is the temperature in an incubator? The incubator temperature should be maintained as recommended by the manufacturer. It usually varies from 99.5 degree to 100.5 degree Fahrenheit, or you can say 37.2 degree Celsius to 37.8 degree Celsius. For forced draft type incubators and about 1 Fahrenheit higher for still air incubators. How do we control the humidity in an incubator? So humidity is must for the bacterial culture or bacterial growth. So that's why we need the humidity inside the incubator. How it can be done? Add water as needed to keep level one and half full. Warm tap water. You can check the water level when turning the eggs each morning. If you notice drops of water forming on top of the incubator, the humidity is too high. Remove the lid and wipe off the excess moisture. Add lesser water than you have been doing. मीन्स कि अगर आप इंक्यूबेटर को चेक करते हैं आफ्टर वार्मिंग, एंड यू शुड watch the evaporation procedure there, and the drop of water comes on the top of the incubator. That means the humidity is high. So maintain the water level inside the incubator. What is the difference between water bath and incubator? An incubator is a device used to grow and maintain microbiological cultures or cell culture, while water bath have a digital or analog interference to allow users to set a desired temperature. Water bath is a painted or coated panel that is completely immersed to demonized water. So why is 35 to 37 degrees Celsius standard incubation temperature? This question is arises because 37 degree temperature is very standard temperature. Many incubators maintain temperature by cycling between heating and cooling cycles, and the temperature may vary by a degree or two. That means the actual temperature may transiently be as high at 38 or 39 degrees Celsius. If the incubator is set at 37 degrees Celsius, this could be high enough to seriously affect some sensitive bacteria. Some sensitive bacteria means कि some bacteria are grows at the 34-35 degree Celsius. If we have maintained the 37, then it cannot be grow. So does an incubator need ventilation? Yes. Incubator need to be ventilated, replacing air within the incubator with air from outside the machine, as the developing embryos inside the machine need to breathe. That's why we need the ventilation. How do we ventilate an incubator? Start to ventilate at low level after 3-4 days of incubation to avoid relative humidity being higher than set point for too long. Set relative humidity at 50 to 55% to achieve optimal weight loss, a gradually declining set point from 60% to no less than 45% will also deliver good result. Why is the incubation period important? Good question. Because knowing the incubation period of an infectious disease, the time from exposure to the causative agent to when symptoms first appear can provide important information during an outbreak, including when affected individual will be symptomatic and most likely to spread the disease. What is the principle of incubation? All incubators are based on the concept that when organisms are provided with the optimal condition of temperature, humidity, oxygen and carbon dioxide levels, they grow and divide to form more organisms. So that's why the incubator temperature is much more important. So student, these are about incubators, and it's very important equipment for all the research laboratory, biological science laboratory, life science laboratory, pathological laboratory, hospitals and biochemical lab also. So if you have any questions, please ask me on my YouTube channel, and